Some people wait for opportunity to knock. Others grab the wheel and drive straight toward it. This isn't just a school. It's your starting line, and the road ahead, wide open. If you're looking to change your life, not just your job, welcome to Swift Transportation Academy. Every Monday, a new class rolls out. That means every week is a new shot at something better. No commercial driver's license? No problem. At Swift, you can start today. No money out of pocket. We'll get you trained, we'll get you rolling. After your first year, your tuition's paid. And by year 2, that money comes right back to you. Graduate from the academy, and you don't just get a license. You get a job. A career path with one of the biggest names in trucking. Dry van, flatbed, reefer, intermodal, dedicated, whatever your lane. At Swift Transportation, we've got it. Crave the open road. With Swift, you don't just work, you explore, see the country, and get paid to do it. This isn't a dead-end job, it's a way forward. A real shot at building something that lasts. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now, and we have your back to make it happen. Drive your future forward, starting at Swift. Swift Transportation Academy. Apply today.